Hi, good morning everyone. This is Marco Pereira. We just happy to announce that we reached safely from Italy. It was a long journey though, but we are very happy we are home. And we want to thank each and everyone who helped us to be here. First of all, our company who never left us alone, considering the pandemic, which was one of its kind. I mean, no one had faced this one before, and still company were with us all the time, and they took good care of us and made us return home. We also thank all the members of Goan Seafarers Association who are constantly in touch with us, giving us moral boost and fighting for our cause. I want to thank also all our friends from other companies also were in touch with us, giving us moral support and inputs from their companies also. Finally, I want to thank each and everyone who help us to stay calm, stressless and happy over there. Thank you very much. Just to inform you, we are from 4 ships of Costa Diadema, Costa Pacifica, Costa Esmeralda and Costa Victoria. We are all together 168 crew members, all safe, sound and fit. This I also want to give one message to all the people who were against us to bring us home. I want to tell them that we are as safe and as fit as could be, and there is nothing they can get illness or sickness from us, because we are fit, we are fine and we are healthy.
See, the other was stranded. There are, because of the delay of the Indian government to give permission to land or to the airport to be open, there are ships have left from United States, from Europe to come to Goa. So there will be around 4,000 to 5,000 will be coming by ships, because they are already on the way, unless something changes. And I just got a message also from Brazil that the guys are also coming. They also booked the chartered flight MSC from Brazil to India, and there will be 2 flights coming, one in Goa and one in Mumbai. So they are just waiting, I think on 28th and 29th. So the companies are trying their very best to charter the flights, because that is the only way, because Air India mission Vande Bharat, it is not fulfilling everybody's, because they try to book the Air India, but it's not possible to send everybody, because they are bringing other people also.